Hi everyone, welcome back to Solularium vlog. And I'm so excited about this vlog. Actually, I've been planning for years, almost a year. So yeah, today I'm so excited about it. And today in this vlog, we're going to do a room tour of my room tour in Delhi, which is a small space. So do not waste time anymore. Let's go ahead. So this is the entrance of my room. This is 1 hour key, so do not expect much. This is my small world. This is my entrance, and this is my bed. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is my bed area, and this is my pillow. And if you like this pillow cover, I got it from Misho. Guys, did you see my doormat? I got it from Misho. I got it from Misho. It's really cute and comfortable. Whenever I want to do exercise, I used to lay down and do the exercise. So good. If you want, I will take all the product in my blog. So yeah, if you want, check it out. Everything is so cheap, but good products. So yeah. So hi everyone. This is my small space where I can read and write, make my day, something like that. And this calendar is from Money Bar. It's really cute and useful. Uh, I love this plan, snake plan, but it's a different kind of version. I really love it. So yeah, and this is the one I'm using. This is from CrossFit from Amazon, and the transmitter you will get even for iPhone, older version, and for the Android as well. For the Android also, so this was really good. Hello. So this area, I love it because see my stuff, my little stuff. And you know what? I got this wooden box from Sarojini. I think I paid 200 for this. This and this. You know what? I keep my jewelry or things like that. And this is rock. Whenever I travel, I collect rocks. I love rocks. Okay, so I got the stones. What the hell? I got the stones here, over here, and those are this. Yeah, I got it from the riverside where we used to go for running. Yamuna. I got this from there. I got it as a gift. Are you okay? This is Ulta Reba. And yeah, nothing much. These are the stuff that I have, which I yet to use many things because I don't use much, but I do have it, so I just kept it. So yeah. Hello. So this is my dining, and I love this. So yeah, this is my dining table. Yep, I like it very much. And if you're wondering, my chair, I got it from IKEA. So yep. My money plant. This is my favorite area, and let's open my closet. Dun, dun, this is my money plant. Looking good, right? Here we go. It's my hat, my cap, my favorite leather jacket stuff, and can I see my boots? This is my heel. My heel and my sneakers and some shoe. It's somewhere scattered because I don't have space here anymore. So it's up there. So yeah, let's close this. Hi, so this is my kitchen area. You stay aside for now. So yeah, this is my colorful apron and a vintage. Let me take you. Here's my money plan again. And this my, see, I got this from Flipkart. It's been a year, almost a year. So it's like this, but it's useful. Key. Stuff, some stuff up there. My plant, aloe vera. My water. Container all empty. I need to go shopping. Not go, but I need to order and I'll unbox it again. This is my kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, this is my washroom. I got this holder, shop holder, this holder, all everything from Misho. And I really love it because I love to maintain color. So this goes well with my washroom. So I really love it. Yeah, and what to do in a washroom. I got a Western toilet. This, I do not have a shower. Room from here, entrance, my bed, my doormat. Oh, this chapel, I got it from Misho as well, below 100. This, I got it from Washroom, but I'm wearing everywhere. Table, that's my dining area, that's my kitchen, and this, you know, my wardrobe, and that's my way to washroom. That is kitchen. Yay, that's my pot here also. And here I am. This is 360-degree tour of my room. Thank you so much everyone for watching till the very end. I hope you enjoy it. And product that I tag on this vlog, if you buy it, I get some commission, okay? So if you like it, go for it. And yep, this is all for this vlog. And by the way, this shirt is of Changde. It's brand new one in the market. So if you like it, please let me know. It's very comfortable. This is oversized t-shirt and I'm loving it. So yeah, if you want, please do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much once again for watching till the very end. You guys are the best, and do share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next vlog.